redstone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, we're actually going to go to the mall again because I want to go and look at Justice and see what new stuff they have out. Another reason that I wanted to go to the mall is because back at Christmas, we saw a really good squishy kiosk while we were there last Christmas. And they had some of the best squishies. Like, they were so slow rising and so squishy. Like, I was in love with them. And I really want to get some, but I wasn't able to. But my mom said while we were at the mall today, we could go by there and see if they were still there. Okay, so we are at the mall. Hey, we are at the mall and we are about to go in.
As soon as I looked in there over the counter.
Look like who?
It looks just like you. Look in there.
Don't see it, but thanks.
Oh my gosh, do you not see it?
It looks just like Kayla.
Do not show her. She's gonna be like, get me off camera.
No, I'm not, but it looks just like Kayla. Anyways, we are about to go in Justice.
Okay, so we're in Justice. I don't know if they already said that.
Look, we did. It's okay. Look at the pocketbooks. Little backpacks.
Looking at some bags. So we have this option.
There's a bunch, but we like that
It's like
one.
super bright, but it's like mermaid. It's super cute.
Mom, it's a flip one.
Then there's this one, and ooh, the texture is really cool.
Oh, that's a flip.
And then we have
It
a
really
unicorn
flips
one,
anything.
but I don't think she's really into that one. We have one with butterfly wings, which is kind of weird.
We have this one.
Oh yeah, that one.
That one down there is cute.
This one.
Hold on. Has pom-poms, which is really cute. Then we
This one on your back. Try this one.
have this one. I'm getting this one. Okay.
No, you can.
Just
You
joking.
can seriously wear this.
You could.
I'm not wearing one, but that's cute.
Okay, look, people wear like mini backpacks all the time from like Target.
No, I know. I want to get me one, but I want like a solid black one.
No.
You know you're beautiful. And it's easy. This girl sounds like Hannah Montana.
She really does. Here, try this on your back.
Mommy, I'm ready to go.
Try it on your back.
Look at Aiden. Look at Aiden.
Cutie.
I can't get it.
I just want to kind of see what it looks like. There you go.
Outfit of the day.
It'll be looser than
Wearing the same shoes I always do.
I really like
This
that.
is actually supposed to be like tucked in.
Oh,
It's legit.
Whatever. Okay.
I like that bag.
Let me see. Yes.
I really
That's
like that
cute.
one. I think I like it better than this.
Yeah. This one looks growner. Yeah, I vote for you getting that one.
I've been trying to get stuff that's like older because I don't know.
I mean, you don't want to outgrow it.
No.
She already has a backpack at home. She needs to wear.
I need to wear that too.
Yeah, she really does. But what is? I don't know why I can't.
It's gold.
It's gold.
It's in my closet though. She hasn't seen it.
On it or anything.
A star, I think.
Hey, Bob.
Is it this size?
Yeah.
It's from Justin.
But
Hey, Bob.
Oh, is it?
I know that.
I like that one.
That's the panda.
I feel like this will go with more.
The panda?
Yay. Okay, so we're in this room, which is pretty cool. It's like bedding and all stuff, like pillows and
Mommy.
bath towels, which are super cute. These pillows are cool. They're the, whatever this is, glitter pillow type things. I don't know, they're cute. And then we got all this stuff, little locker. It's cute. Inflatable chair.
The cutest stuff in here.
They really do. Like, look at all this. Oh my gosh. Remember, I used to have a lap desk. Aunt Christy got me one. It was the best thing ever. I had one of these. It was the best thing ever.
Oh, I need the household.
Remember, I had a chandelier lamp. Oh my gosh, this is bringing back like so many memories. Oh my gosh. Bible, I would totally have this on my bed. Look how cute that is. Like, minus the mermaid, but that's really cute.
Yeah, I like
And Bryleigh, look, I used to have a canopy on my bed too. Remember?
I do remember that.
This is like my whole like
One of those things.
old room. I had this,
This is my
and the lap desk.
This matches my bag.
Oh, mama, that's cute.
It matches my bag.
That.
The board, they don't have her letter.
Huh.
I just looked.
Go
Oh,
figure.
there's more over here. I didn't even see them.
Hello.
Oh, look at these blankets.
They're pretty.
Oh, fearless. Bless you.
Bless you, baby.
That's cute.
Ooh, feel the blanket, Kayla.
I know. They're kind of like sparkly. I feel like it would be rough though.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're in here just hanging out. Go then. Throw a bucket. So we're in here just kind of hanging out.
Mommy.
They found a letter B.
Hey, Mama.
Yes.
Hey, Mama.
So I don't know. Might get that. I'm not really sure. But yeah, here we are, just looking around in here.
I said this.
What'd you say?
Okay, so we found squishies.
Where's that hole at?
Oh God. Holy crap, that stuff stinks. Do not smell these things. Oh, look at this little dumpling. Ah, that's cute. And a fish. That's weird. And they have this thing. I like this one. Stop.
Oh, you can see it.
And then they have cupcakes. Oh, look, Bryleigh cupcake.
Oh, I love the macaroni.
And then they have these new things called fidget squishies, where the tail, I think, spins.
It does.
So weird. Oh, brownie.
Wait, no.
Yum. Get a brownie.
No, the tail doesn't stand to it.
Oh, that's weird. And it's not a fidget spinner.
Sponge squish.
Okay.
Wait. No, it just says sponge squish.
And then just this stuff. I love these things. I have one on my keychain. Not this big though. Shall not love, close your eyes.
It smells like chemical in there.
Bryleigh, look. Have you already paid?
No, I hadn't. I was waiting to make sure y'all weren't getting anything yet.
Look.
Oh, they're cute.
Tons of chokers. Tons of jewelry. Tons of stuff.
No, they're cute. We're in H&M.
And I'm hungry.
You're always hungry. Bryleigh, do you like that little shirt?
That is so good. Sure.
Her style's so different than mine. Do you like these little shirts? Now these are cute.
It looks like a wobbly shirt.
You don't like that either?
It's like a wobbly shirt.
Bryleigh, you don't like anything. She's just so funny.
This is so true.
What does it say?
Let's pop it.
Busy being amazing.
Let's do it, let's see. What does it do? Say on the sleeves. I can't see. Amazing. So we found squishies. Ooh, what is this? Cow patty? Ooh, it's really good though.
Or look at the cake.
Look at the bread. One's not as good.
No. Look at the cake.
Ow, ow, ow. Squeeze it on my wrist. Ooh, that's cute. Hey, look at
Oh, this one squishes good. Oh my gosh. What if you got the whole cake?
Oh.
These are really fast rising.
I don't know why though. Yeah, that one's good.
Yes. Look, you already have a strawberry.
I know, but like it's
So.
good.
The cake is good. Not that one, another one.
Yeah, some of them like you have to really find them. Here, Mom, do you mind holding this real quick over here? On the wrist. Look, some of these, like these, like some of these aren't like they're all really fast and rubbery. But like these are really good. This one's still rising from when I squeezed it. Look.
Oh wow, that's really good.
Okay, so they have a bunch of like other squishies over here, like bread, and this one's really good. That one's really good. They have cupcakes and cakes and ice cream cones and a bunch of other stuff. So as you just saw in the video, they were still there and they had so many choices and it was like, oh my gosh, I don't know which one. I did not know which one to get because they were all like really good. But some of them, there was like the peach, it was kind of like it had like a weird feeling. It did not feel like a squishy at all. And it was like really fast. Like as soon as you squish it, it'd be right back up. It was not squishy at all. But let me show you guys what squishies I did get. First squishy. Okay, so the first squishy that I have is this cute little pink chocolate bar. And it's kind of like, I guess, a strawberry chocolate bar. So this is like my mom's favorite, like a strawberry and cream. What is it, window thing? Like my mom's favorite candy. Anyways, I can decide that. But this is like super cute. There is one thing that is bad about the squishy. But first I'll show you. So this is like really, really good, like squishy wise. It is super good and I love the squishy, other than there are a lot of defects in it and like a lot of like hard things in it that it's like rubber. And we pulled some of them out, so it's made a lot more defects. But like, if you can see like right down here, there's like a lot of defects in the feet and stuff, and like all right here. And then in the very back, there's like there's like hard rubber right here, and we kind of like pulled that out because it was kind of like we didn't know what it was at first, and it's made like giant holes. And then in this one, there's still like in here, like it's starting to rip because it's so sharp, and like it kind of hurts a little bit when you squeeze it. On this hand, there was one right here, and it kind of broke the hand when we took it out. And there's a lot more in here, like I could probably find one right now. Like right here, there's one right there too. See, it's like rubber. I don't know, it's really weird. It's like rubber, but it's super duper squishy. Another super duper weird defect is in the back. Right here, when you squeeze it, it is super soft, but it never rises back up. It's really weird. Like, you can see, it's really dented in right there, and like it never rises up. It does rise up a little bit sometimes, but like it's only mainly when you like squeeze it really hard, or like see it's rising up now. But like when you go like this, it stays there, like it does not rise back up. And right there in the arm, you see like it's starting to rip because of the like the plastic piece inside of it. It's really weird, but then when you break it, it looks really like it has so many defects in it. So we're kind of just trying to leave it there, but I really want to rip it out. I don't know why. I really want to rip it out because it's just kind of bothering me when you squeeze it. And like the other arm is like breaking so bad, but otherwise it's still like super duper cute. Second squishy. Ow! That was hard! Second squishy. Okay, second squishy is this Hello Kitty cake. And it's like pudding or cottage cheese, you know, right here with a cake, you know, so.
How about yellow cake with white frosting?
There's like triple chocolate, triple ice cream, triple frosting. So I was trying to give it a chance, you know? Okay, anyway, I was trying to make it not so sweet, whatever. Okay, so it's not cottage cheese, guys. I guess my mom likes to call it cake. Anyways, so this is a yellow cake, and it is like 2 yellow pieces in like the cake, and then I guess frosting. That feels really good when you do that. Sorry. And then there's like pink frosting right here, and then a little Hello Kitty. And this one squeezes really, really good. But like one thing, the Hello Kitty, like right here, this hook right here, it goes all the way down to like her nose. So when you squeeze it, it's a little hard, but like I still like squeezing it because like, just like really, really squishy. show, but to her show, I don't know. But this is strawberry shortcake. So it's like the cake, strawberries, strawberry juice, whipped cream, and then more icing, and then strawberries. What I said I think is weird is, why are the strawberries white? You know, it's just weird. Like, strawberries are not white on the inside. If you cut a strawberry open, it is not white. Anyways, this one is super squishy too, and it's super slow rising. And what my mom's favorite thing to do with it is go like this, and then like that. And when you twist it, it twists back up, and it smells really good. Fourth squishy. Fourth squishy. Mama. 100. Try. Fourth squishy. Fourth squishy. Stop. Here. I got it. Okay, anyways, this is the best squishy out of all of them. All of them. It is a strawberry dipped, strawberry dipped, strawberry chocolate. What? It makes no sense. Anyways, it's dipped in some pink stuff. This is really squishy. And like, it's really slow rising. I like it. It's really good. Come on, you're almost there. Okay, it's there. So, as you can see, it takes about like 20 seconds to rise, so the spots on it are like yellow. They're kind of like burger seeds. But what's weird is like they're not even on the like circles. They're like right beside of the circles on every one of them. So it's a little weird, but like on this side there's a few that are on it. But it's a little weird. But anyways, it's dipped and it is super good. before I do this video, my mom's gonna throw these scratches. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite to least favorite. My favorite was the chocolate dipped strawberry. My second was the strawberry shortcake. This next one is the Hello Kitty one. And the last one is the chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we gotta go because me and my mom are actually going to watch Zombies because I have seen it before and my mom has not. And are you excited?
Yes, I am.
I've been wanting to show her this movie for a while. But the question of the day is, have you seen Zombies on Disney Channel? And if you have, do you like it? I love Zombies. It's like probably one of my new favorite movies on Disney, by far. But don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye!